This is an introduction to the maintenance procedures for the BMS casing CTKMZ series and FTKMZ series streamer unit. Although the placement of the streamer unit in these series has changed due to structural changes from previous models, there are no major changes in the handling of the unit, which basically requires no maintenance. If replacement becomes necessary, follow these steps. During maintenance, turn off the air conditioner power and turn off the breaker. Removing the front grille. Open the front panel. Remove the screw of the service cover. Remove the service cover. Remove the blade. Remove the 2 screws of the front grille. Unfasten the 3 hooks at the top. Remove the front grille. Removing the streamer unit. Cut the clamp. Remove the screw of the streamer unit. Disconnect the connector. Remove the streamer unit to complete this procedure. Do not disassemble the streamer unit. To remove the streamer unit together with its mounting plate, follow these additional steps. Remove the screw of the electrical box cover. Remove the electrical box cover. Release the harnesses. Disconnect the connector. Unfasten the wire spring. Remove the screw of the streamer unit mounting plate. Remove the streamer unit and mounting plate to complete this procedure. Next is an introduction to the installation procedures for the streamer unit. Installing the streamer unit and mounting plate. Attach the streamer unit mounting plate. Tighten the screw. Attach the wire spring. Insert the connector. Attach the electrical box cover. Tighten the screw of the electrical box cover. Installing the streamer unit. Connect the connector to the streamer unit. Attach the streamer unit. Tighten the screw of the streamer unit. Loosen the screw of the streamer unit mounting plate. Attach a clamp. Tighten the screw of the streamer unit mounting plate. Installing the front grille. Attach the front grille. Attach the 3 hooks at the top. Open the front panel. Tighten the 2 screws of the front grille. Attach the blade. Attach the service cover. Tighten the screw of the service cover. Close the front panel. Checking operation. Turn on the power supply. Run the air conditioner and make sure it works. This completes the installation procedures for the streamer unit.
Perfecting the air, Daikin.